southeastern San Jacinto County in southeastern Liberty, southeastern Polk County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 10:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:38, America storm was centered 8 miles east of Shepherd, Oregon, 15 miles south of Livingston, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs. Entries. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Wood Branch, North Cleveland, Moss Hill, Hardin, Splendora, Kingwood, Porter, Romeo, Alabama Cowshatta Reservation, New Caney, Shepherd, Roman Forest, Tarkington Prairie, and Singo. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Boy, we're so back. Let's go, HCX.
What are we expecting to see out of?
I saw it. News Radio 740 has activated the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned for important information.
Did KTRH just fail again? Oh, okay, here we go. I thought they were gonna fail again.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in Lake City because of a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County, southeastern San Jacinto County, Liberty County, southeastern Polk County, and northeastern Harris County until 10:45. At 9:38, a cluster of strong to severe thunderstorms was centered 8 miles east of Shepherd or 15 miles south of Livingston, northeast at 40 miles an hour with 60-mile-an-hour winds. This concludes this activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. System at the request of the National Weather Service in Lake City because of a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County, southeastern San Jacinto County, Liberty County, southeastern Polk County, and eastern Harris County until 10:45. At 9:38, a cluster of strong to severe thunderstorms centered 8 miles east of 60-mile-an-hour winds. This includes the last
El Servicio Meteorológico Nacional anunció una advertencia de tormentas severas para los siguientes condados Texas: Harris, Unidad Estatal, por el 4:12 PM y hasta Standard Team.
I was afraid something was going to happen. Some of what can step it up.
Stewart.